Hey my sweeties, it's Sarah. Welcome back to my channel. So it's in the middle of October and you know what that means. It's almost holiday season. All the beauty stores are gearing up for Christmas already, and that means there's tons of gift sets all over the store. So I was in Ulta just the other day and I picked up a few gift sets from Charlotte Tilbury.
Darlings, can you keep a secret?
I got my hands on both of these gift sets right here, so I thought I would do a little video for you guys opening these and reviewing them, and also comparing how the sizes are and if they're worth the money. These holiday gift sets are always advertised as a discount because you get multiple products in a bundle for a lowered price. So I'm going to open these up for you guys, see what's inside, and see if it's really worth the money. Oh, and by the way, do you guys like my new setup? I mean, the sequin background was cute and all for a few videos, but this to me just looks way more professional, so let me know, do you guys like it? Anyway, so let's get started on these gift sets. I'm gonna open up this one first. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Icons on the Go kit. So this one is a 4-piece gift set. It retails for $59 at Ulta, which that price point seems a little expensive to me, but you do get one full-size product in here. This is the Eyes to Mesmerize Cream Eyeshadow. So one of these on its own, a full size of this, is $35 retail. So that's already basically half the cost of this gift set right here. And then the last 3 items in here, these are all going to be travel sizes. So they're a little bit smaller than what you would buy full size, but it's good for someone like me. I don't own really any Charlotte Tilbury products. I think I own maybe a couple lip liners. So all of these are brand new products for me. So it is good that I get to try 4 different things from her brand without having to commit to purchasing a full size. But anyway, next up in the kit we have this. This is the Pillow Talk Beauty Light Wand. So this is going to be a cream liquid highlighter. I already have my makeup done, but I can go ahead and swatch this for you guys just so you can see what it looks like. So if you guys can see, it has like a little sponge tip. The product gets saturated into this sponge and dispenses that way. And you can see as I squeeze it, the product starts to like squirt out of this sponge. So here is that liquid highlighter. This is just one kind of squirt onto the back of my hand. So look at that, it's so beautiful. It's like a pretty champagne kind of bronzy pink. It's a very wearable highlight color. I'm sort of working it onto the back of my hand and blending it in a little bit more. It's very, very creamy, very, very smooth. And here is what it looks like when it's blended out a little bit more. Such a pretty, pretty color. That highlight is amazing. So this is one of those products that I probably wouldn't pick this up on my own, a full-size one, so I'm glad that I get to try it in this kit. I don't really use cream highlighters that often, but I'm excited to give this one a shot and play around with it. So going back to this full-size product, this is a cream eyeshadow. I wanted to also swatch this one for you guys. This one is also in the shade Pillow Talk. Pillow Talk is probably the most iconic shade from the Charlotte Tilbury brand, so I think a lot of these gift sets were kind of focused on the Pillow Talk color. So all of these are going to go super, super well together. So here is what the shade Pillow Talk looks like. This is a super creamy pigment. It blended so easily onto the back of my hand. So this is a pigment that is meant for the eyes, but I think you can also probably use this as like a blush bronzer if you wanted to on your cheeks. It's a very versatile color. The next product we have in here is a little baby travel-sized lip liner, again also in the shade Pillow Talk. The lip liners are the one thing that I have tried from this brand. I know that they're super, super good. Let me just swatch this one for you guys. All right, so here we have the eyeliner all swatched in the back of my hand. Very, very pretty color. This is definitely a lip liner shade that I see myself going to almost every day. It's a very pretty nude pink. And then lastly, in the gift set, you get this tiny little lipstick. This is the Pillow Talk Matte Revolution lipstick, so it's going to be a matte formula. And look at how tiny this little guy is. Super, super cute. So here I have the matte lipstick swatched on the back of my hand next to the lip liner. I can already tell that this is going to be a super, super cute combo. These colors go so well together and it's a very wearable pink nude lip. So overall, you get 4 products, 3 travel size and 1 full size for the price of $59. On the Ulta website, it does say if you were to buy all 4 of these products regular, like not in a bundle, it would be an $84 value. So you do get your money's worth. So I recommend this makeup set if you already are a fan of Charlotte Tilbury and want to try a little bit more of her products. But in my opinion, it still is kind of a steep price point, being just about $60, and most of these products are minis. But I do see myself using a lot of these products because the colors are very wearable. They're very Sarah Sweet colors. So I don't know, it's really up to your own discretion whether you think this is worth it or not. But for me personally, I didn't mind it. I think that I'm going to get a lot of wear out of these. So the other holiday gift set that I picked up from Charlotte Tilbury is this mini collagen lip bath icons. This comes with 3 mini glosses and retails for $32. And the Ulta website says that it has a $35 value. So you are getting a couple dollars off. That's kind of bullshit, isn't it? Whatever, it's fine. Saving money. Okay, so this says, this travel size trio is the secret to a sumptuous, plumper looking pout with shades Refresh Rose, Pillow Talk Medium, and Pillow Talk Original. So again, these are gonna go super well with the products that I just showed. So this right here is the original Pillow Talk. I'm gonna swatch this one on the back of my hand for you guys. Also, I just noticed that the applicator here, the wand, has like a little heart shape at the bottom. Super cute. So here is the original Pillow Talk. This color would go super well topped over the liner and the matte lipstick that we just saw. Same color story, really pretty. So next is the shade Refresh Rose. This one looks like it's almost a clear gloss. It basically is a clear gloss. It looks like it has like a little hint of like a nude shade to it, but it's essentially a clear gloss. I'll still show you guys anyway. There we go. If you guys can see, really pretty clear gloss. It feels super hydrating and moisturizing. And the last shade we have to swatch is Pillow Talk Medium. So this one's going to be just a few shades darker than the first Pillow Talk shade that we just swatched. So here is Pillow Talk Medium. Very pretty. It's kind of like a deeper berry shade, kind of like a coral nude. I honestly like this one a little bit better than the original Pillow Talk. So overall, as for the value of this set, you are only getting a few dollars off as far as a discount goes, but you do get to try 3 of the most iconic colors from the line. And I don't know about you guys, but lip gloss is one of those things that I go through really fast. I'm always reapplying every time I eat, and it kind of just wears off through the day anyway, so I always have a lip gloss or 2 in my bag, and they're probably my most purchased makeup item in general. So for me, I know I'm definitely going to use these. And don't forget that these gift sets are super nice for gifting. So if there's maybe 1 or 2 items that you want out of the set, you can keep those for yourself and give the rest away to your friends and family, or you can just keep them all for yourself. Either way, but I think in general, gift sets are a great way to try products that you wouldn't have otherwise purchased, because now I have like 7 new things here that I wouldn't have bought on my own, and I get to try brands that I haven't really played with that much. So overall, if you're a makeup lover like me, I think it is a good deal. But yeah, right now, Ulta and Sephora are both filled with gift sets from so many different brands. So let me know if there's anything you guys want to see specifically. I know House Labs has a few holiday gift sets. I saw Tarte had a few gift sets that looked super cute, so let me know what you guys want. But thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel, like the video, and leave a comment for what kind of videos you want to see me do next. And until next time, stay gorgeous, my sweeties.